one of the reasons that I did sign up with Gainswave was because I saw a lot that could come into our practice development. And so I was actually happy to see the shift in focus away from the treatment, because there are other ways to focus on that, in-house training and things, and focusing more on how to make my practice more successful. The workshop itself really exceeded my expectations. The quality of the speakers was outstanding. The information that they relayed is going to make a significant impact in how we run our practice. We're going to go home and we're going to rethink things in terms of how we utilize the people, how we recruit people, and the roles that we ourselves are playing within the practice. You know, my favorite part whenever I go to any workshop is the interaction amongst the people, whether it's with colleagues or with the speakers. I think that interchange of ideas and thoughts just makes for a great overall experience. One of the things that I learned this week is that the importance of video. I've always recognized the importance of video, but introducing videos into your emails, as an example, is going to give you a much better open rate, a better engagement rate. And that's something that we haven't tried in the past. Having something on your homepage, the website, a video that has somebody like myself speaking about the practice, that's going to be useful as well in terms of attracting leads into the practice.